The capacity of the center is 10,000 per day. The category of the assessment will be 3 categories. The green one, they are taking health education and they are leave the centers. And the another one, the yellow category, they are doing swapping and they are taking hygiene kit and they are leaving waiting their result will be received by text message after 48 hours. The third group, we are providing them full consultation, including X-ray, vital sign, and so on. If they need admission to the hospital, will be referred to one of our hospitals.
Lahat panatiling ang sapat na distansya ang pagitan mula sa iyo at sa kapwa. Hindi na mga pagtubig